Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. All of you open page number 50, children. Write today's date. Let us start with let's practice exercise. Here the first heading is subtract the following 38 minus 9. 38 minus 9. Always you have to start from the ones place, children. Let us start from ones place. From 8 ones we have to minus 9 ones. So from 8 ones we cannot minus 9 ones. What we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. From 3 tens, if we borrow 1 10, 2 tens are left. So strike, cross out 3 tens and write 2 tens above and write 1 in the ones place. Now you start counting. Now we can subtract 18 minus 9. Start counting after 9 and stop at 18. 18 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many fingers did you open? It is 9. Write 9 in ones place and write down 2 as it is in the tens place. Now let me do this sum. 56 minus 18. 56 minus 18. From 6 ones we cannot minus 8 ones. What we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. From 5 tens, if we borrow 1 10, 4 tens are left in the tens place. Cross out 5 and write 4. And write 1 in the ones place, so that we get 16. From 16 we can minus 8. 16 minus 8. In the same way we have to count. Start after 8 and stop at 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers did you open? It is 8. Write down 8 in ones place. Now tens also the same method. Start counting after 1 and stop at 4. After 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers did you open? 3. Write down 3 in the tens place. Now let's move on to the next heading, that is subtract and check your answer with addition. Here first we have to do subtraction and then you have to check your answer with addition. Now first one, 73 minus 47. 73 minus 47. Now from 3 ones we cannot minus 7 ones. What we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. That is 7 tens. 7 tens, it becomes 6 tens, and write 1 here so that we get 13. Now 13 minus 7. After 7 you start counting and stop at 13. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we get 6. Write down 6 in ones place. Now here also start counting after 4 and stop at 6. 4 after 5, 6. 2. Write down 2 in the tens place. Now here if you want to do checking by addition, we have to write this subtrahend and this difference. Subtrahend is 47 and difference is 26. If we add these two numbers, we have to get this minuend 73. So 47 and 26. Now come on, do addition, children. 7 plus 6 how much? It is 13. Write 3 in ones place. 1 you carry in the tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 73. Is our answer correct? See here 73 we got after adding. Here 73 is the minuend. Now let's move on to the next question. 51 minus 16. 51 minus 16. From 1 we cannot minus 6. We have to borrow from the tens place. That is from 5 tens. 5 tens becomes 4 tens. And 1 you write here so that we get 11. Now 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 it is 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get the difference 30. Now you have to write down the subtrahend and this difference here down in the boxes and add 16 and 35. Now add 6 plus 5 how much? It is 11, 1 and carry 1 in the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 51. So our answer is correct. See the minuend is 51 and here also the sum we get here is 51. Try the remaining two sums, children. All of you open page number 51 and write date, children. Write down today's. Now let's solve the first sum. Suhani and her friends have to blow 84 balloons for a party. They have blown 46 balloons. How many more balloons do they need? Now here number of balloons they have to blow. How many balloons Suhani and her friends have to blow? 84. Write down 84 in the blank and here also 84 in the boxes. Next, number of balloons they have blown. How many balloons did they blow? So 46. Write down 46 in the blank and in the boxes. Now we have to find out number of balloons they still need to blow. Still how many balloons they have to blow? We have to find out by doing subtraction. Now from 4 we cannot minus 6. We have to borrow from 8 tens. 8 tens becomes 7 tens and 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 6. Count after 6 and stop at 14. How much 14 minus 6? It is 8. Write down 8 in the ones place. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Write down 3 in the tens place. Now write 38 in the blank. So still they have to blow 38 balloons. Suhani and her friends have to blow 38 more balloons. Now let's move on to the second question. 72 people can sit in a bus. There are 38 people already sitting in it. How many more people can sit in the bus? Now here, what is the sitting capacity in a bus? Number of people who can sit in a bus, how many? 72. Write down 72 in the blank and here also in the box. Next, number of people already sitting in the bus. How many people are sitting already in the bus? 38. Write down 38. Next, number of more people who can sit in the bus. How many more still the bus can accommodate? We have to find by doing. Now from 2 we cannot minus 8. Borrow 1 10 from the tens place, that is 7 tens, it becomes 6 tens and 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8. Start counting after 8 and stop at 12. We get 4. Write 4 in the ones place. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. 34. Still 34 people can sit in a bus. Write down 34. Number of more people who can sit in a bus is 34. See here again in the blank also 34 more people can sit in the bus. Now let's move on to the last question. Sakshi's mother lit 34 candles. 15 candles melted and stopped burning. How many candles are still burning? Now here see number of candles lit. How many candles were lit? 34. Write down 34 in the blank and in the boxes. Now number of candles that melted. 15 candles melted. Write down 15 in the blank. Now number of candles still burning. We have to find out by doing subtraction. From 4 we cannot minus 5, so we have to borrow from the tens place. 3 becomes 2, 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5. How much 14 minus 5? It is 9. Write down 9 in the ones place. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now number of candles still burning. They are 19. What is the difference you got here? 19. Write down 19 in the blank. So 19 candles are still burning. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.